Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through the process of bypassing SafetyNet check, device not certified, and also hiding apps that detect root in Magisk version 24.0, which also include Magisk. Let's head to Magisk, settings, enable Magisk beta, also enable the enforce deny list. Reboot. Head back to Magisk. But the new version does not support SafetyNet Attestation Check. To download an app called Yet Another SafetyNet Attestation Checker, just search Yasnak, then install it. We can use this app to do SafetyNet Attestation Check. Open it and run a SafetyNet Attestation. You see basic integrity and CTS profile match fail. Head back to Magisk. Under modules, you realize RERU and Universal SafetyNet Fix are disabled. They are suspended because Magisk is enabled. So we remove these two modules. Then open your browser. Search for Universal SafetyNet. Then open this, scroll down, select that latest version. So we download the zip file. Then go back to Magisk. Under modules, install from storage, install the SafetyNet Fix version 2.2.1. Let's head back to Magisk. SafetyNet Fix is active. Now let's open the app we downloaded, Yasnak, and let's run SafetyNet Attestation. You can see basic integrity, pass, CTS profile match, pass. Now let's solve the Play Store, device not certified, Google Play Store. Under settings, about Google Play Store, we can see device is not certified. Open App Info, then clear data. Go back to Magisk. Go to settings. Under configure deny list, show system apps. Then now search for Google Play Store. Check it. Also, any apps that you want to hide from root detection, you can select them here. Then after that, reboot your device. Under settings, go to about. Then now you see device is certified. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more videos.